News Family TV.
Yes, ito ang aming New Year celebration at ang aming handa ay meron kami ditong Biko.
It's our favorite.
At meron
Sponsored.
kaming Moron.
Oh, my favorite.
At meron kaming cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Yeah.
Yema cake.
Yema cake. At
Yeah.
meron kami roon kasi magsasamyupsal kami. Kaya ito yung nasa mesa namin. See? At meron dito kaming salad.
Sponsored.
Sponsored by Jenilo.
Jenilo.
Pasqua Family. And then may ispasul uli sa kanila ulian.
Ito pa.
Mayroon uli galing sa kanila ulian sa Pasqua
Pati yung
Family.
Biko.
And we
Pati
also
yung Biko. And then
and also we have pancake.
may
Egg pie.
egg pie kami.
Pie. We also have
Rice.
pancake over
Rice.
Soft drinks.
At meron kaming soft drinks, fruits, and red
And
wine.
red one, my favorite.
Yeah. So, what can you say, Liam?
I want to celebrate Christmas forever.
Christmas, New Year.
So,
Yeah.
please subscribe, like,
Subscribe, like News Family TV. If you comment below on News Family TV, I'm gonna get more subscribers to come in News Family TV.
Okay, bye-bye.
bye. Isha, bye-bye.
Bye bye, News Family fans.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you. So this is our food. My favorite is just this.
What's that?
That's just my favorite.
What's that then?
Oh, I don't know. This one's not my favorite. I don't know. I like this the best. And this is
The Moron? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye!